Hello everyone, hope you're studying well. So today's video is about carpal bones of the hand. We all know that there are 8 carpal bones of the hand that are divided into 2 rows. The proximal row that is near to radius and ulna, and the distal row that is further away from the ulna, right? So, and there are 4 bones in each row, 4 in distal row and 4 in proximal row. When I was in med school, I had difficulty in memorizing 2 things about the carpal bones. First, of course, was the names of the carpal bones. That was so obvious. And the second one was the orientation of the bones, like which bone is towards the medial side of the hand or the lateral side of the hand, or in easy words, I can say that which bone is towards the thumb side and which carpal bone is towards the little finger side. So I will tell you how to memorize the orientation first, right? As I said before that there are 4 bones in each row, 4 in the distal row and 4 in the proximal row, right? So what bone is at the start of each row? Like if it's a distal row, so what is this bone number 1 here? And as this is the proximal row, what is the bone at number 5 here? Right? So the mnemonic that I have made starts from the thumb side, right? As you can see, I've labeled it number 1, and it starts from the thumb side and it then ends at the thumb sides. Like it goes like 1, 2, 3, 4, goes towards the little finger, and then the proximal row starts from the little finger towards the thumb, right? So remember this thing, it starts from the thumb side, goes to the little finger side, and then starts from the little finger side and goes towards the thumb side. So what bone is towards the distal end? In the distal row, the first bone is trapezium, right? So how do you remember that it is the first bone in the dorsal row? We all know that the thumb is the first digit of the hand. So that will help you remember that trapezium is the first bone in the distal row. Now, the confusion can be there between trapezium and trapezoid, as both have the same name. So for that, again look at the word thumb. Thumb starts with T, trapezium starts with T. Thumb has M in it and trapezium has M in it, and trapezoid has no M in it. So in this way you can memorize that distal row starts with the bone named trapezium, right? As I said, like I will go from the thumb side to the little finger side, right? So there are 4 bones in each row. Now comes to the proximal row. The proximal row is starting with this little P-shaped bone called pisiform bone, right? So how do you remember that? We also call little finger a pinky finger, right? So pinky, P starts with P and pisiform start with P2. So in this way you can remember that pisiform is the first bone of the proximal row starting from the little finger side, right? Oops, sorry. Okay. So now you know the orientation. Now comes the names of the bones. The mnemonic for the names of the bones is try to catch her pink tinted lucky scarf, right? Try to catch her pink tinted lucky scarf. And you can say try trapezium, 2 trapezoid, catch capitate, her hamate, then again starts from the little finger side, pisiform, P-shape, pink, tinted, triquetrum, lunate, lucky, scaphoid, scarf. So for the names of the carpal bones, there's a mnemonic. Try to catch her pink tinted lucky scarf. Try to catch her pink tinted lucky scarf. And for orientation, you know, T for thumb, T for trapezium, P for pinky, and P for pisiform. I hope this mnemonic will help you memorize the carpal bones, names, and orientation, like which bone is towards the thumb side and which bone is towards the little finger side. And you will not forget it, and it will be really helpful for you in exams. Thank you very much. Bye.